Welcome to another episode of Technica Media. In this video, we will take you to Glorietta in Ayala Center in Makati. But before we go there, please subscribe to our channel to learn more about the Philippines and like this video as well. If you want to watch videos about other super malls in the Philippines, click on the link above. The video starts now.
Next level.
Glorietta is located in the heart of the Ayala Center, bounded between Edsa, Ayala, Makati and Arnaiz Avenues. It is one of the malls that resides there together with Greenbelt. The mall is operated by the Ayala Corporation. It is divided into 5 sections, namely the Glorietta 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Glorietta 1 to 4 are all attached, while Glorietta 5 is the only one that is detached. Glorietta opened its doors in the early 90s. It was originally known as Quad. On the late 90s, Glorietta added the Oakwood Hotel. You can still find some of the original shops in Quad like McDonald's, Jollibee, Cinderella, and Mercury Drug. After another renovation, Glorietta 1 and 2 was reopened and added Holiday Inn, the second hotel in Glorietta. In addition to the new renovation of Glorietta 1 and 2, on its roof deck is the Top of the Glow. It is an al fresco area with restaurants like Moonshine Kitchen, Taco Man, K-pop barbecue, and more. It's certainly a new experience with the Glorietta Mall goers. Glorietta has a 250,000 square meter of leasable area with over 500 shops. It has cinemas right at Glorietta 4,
Coast to coast, the drop bombs. Next level.
and below it is where you'll find the Food Choices food court.
Coast to coast, the drop bombs. Next level.
If you want to watch our video about modern Philippines, click on the link above.
Next level.
To see more about the beauty of the Philippines, get a copy of The Philippines: A Visual Journey by Elizabeth Reyes. Click the description below to learn more. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.